traditional stuffed peppers or Filana Paprika. You're going to need olive oil, salt and pepper, parsley, paprika, oregano, veggie stock, green peppers, 5 peppers, tomato paste, rice and flour. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil. One chopped onion. Once it's softened a bit, add your chopped 4 cloves of chopped garlic and saute for another minute. You want to take half of this away. So you're going to need 4 cups, either 4 cups of stock, or you make your stock with the bouillon cubes or with concentrated vegetable. Add your can of tomato paste. Add another squirt of oil, olive oil, so it's not too dry. And now add 3 tablespoons of flour. So now you add your stock, another 2 cups. In the meantime, I wash the peppers and just cut the tops off like that, and just trimmed a little bit at the top. Okay, so to the pot that we added the stuff, we're going to add our meat and our rice, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and give everything a good mix. So once everything's mixed, I use a glove, you can use a spoon. Just stuff it in. About this much. You don't want to overfill, about 1/4 from the top. So about this much. Now we add parsley, paprika, oregano, 1 teaspoon each. And now start putting in your peppers up. And we're going to be adding water till they're covered. So that's about 2 cups. Of course they flew to the top, but still not, there it is. There's 1 covered. 2. I added another cup. That should do it. Once it comes to a boil, cover it up. Turn it down to simmer and simmer for 1.5 hours. Hello, dobro.